Okay, first copies of my new book have arrived, and I believe that all the cool kids these days do an official unboxing ceremony. Open box with wildly over the top quality of a knife for opening envelope. Apologies, Mick, the knife maker. I hope there's not a spelling mistake on the title page. Here we go. No one in the world, me nor you, have seen this. Drum roll. Ta-da! Wowzers. It's quite thin, which you might think is bad. You don't get much book for your money, but I personally would always pay more money for a shorter book. So I've done my very best to make this book as short as is possible. Gosh, I tell you what's changed since the last time I wrote a book. I can't see anything anymore. I've got to have blooming glasses. And not only just glasses, glasses with a string. All the cool people have a string. Right, here we go. Unwilded. Finding our way back to nature. How's it look inside? Ooh, it's got a little flap. It's got a little flap. Old man worries. How's the font size? Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Oh, yes. Font size is good. Woohoo! I can read it. I can read it. Fantastic. Woo! Okay, now I'm happy. Unwilded argues that change doesn't require grand gestures. It can begin with 15 minutes outdoors, paying attention. From that small act grows understanding, care, responsibility, and the rewilding of both ourselves and the living world. Oh, rousing stuff, rousing stuff. Please, woo! Get yourself a copy of Unwilded today. Thank you. Right. I think I might go for a run.